Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about texture baking, and there's a problem with a two-sided option, or yeah, I show you, okay? So the goal is here, this is a plane with a transparent texture here, and I want to bake it on the back. So everything has nice UV maps and okay. So everything is in position here and I select the bag. In the MISC menu I select the baking option and here is only color selected at the moment. And I try to bake from high res. So, and this is what I get. So here are textures, and on the back side is a texture, and yeah, that's not the goal. Okay, so I go back and yeah, I tried everything here, the settings, cage offset, on, off, and so on, and yeah, that's not the problem. So the problem is here with this plane. There's in the material settings a two-sided option. So turn it off and then it works. So here when you use now here the bag and bake the texture from high res, you get a nice result yeah, on the correct position. So and here when we inspect the color, so I think it's correct. UV, roughness, metalness. Yeah, it looks good. So the problem is here the two-sided option. Yeah, it's nice to know, I think. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.